Oliver the owl loved the silver glow of the moon. While the other birds tucked their heads under their wings, Oliver soared through the tall trees, his large eyes searching for magic in the dark. One night, a tiny golden twinkle caught his eye deep within the thicket. Following the light, Oliver landed softly on a mossy log. There, beneath a giant toadstool, was a tiny circus. A little mouse named Milo was balancing on a thin blade of grass, wearing a tiny red vest. Oliver had never seen anything so small or so wonderful. Nearby, a frog named Jory was practicing a grand finale. He leaped from one dandelion clock to another, spinning in the air like a bright top. Tiny fireflies circled above him, acting as living spotlights that pulsed with a warm, golden rhythm. "Can I play too?" Oliver hooted with excitement. He flapped his great wings to show how happy he was, but whoosh! The wind from his feathers was too strong. The main circus tent, which was made of a silk handkerchief, went flying into the bushes. Milo the mouse sighed as he straightened his tiny hat. "You are very big, Oliver," he said gently. "In our world, even a happy hoot can be a hurricane. We have to be careful." Oliver felt his heart sink. He didn't want to be a clumsy giant. Jory the frog hopped over to Oliver's talon. "Don't be sad. We can teach you the secret of the soft step. It takes lots of patience, but we can do it if we work as a team." Milo nodded and began to show Oliver how to move as slow as a snail. For hours, Oliver practiced. He learned to hold his breath and move his talons as slowly as a flower opening its petals. He practiced lifting a single pine needle and placing it down without making even the smallest sound. When the moon reached the top of the sky, the midnight circus truly began. The fireflies gathered in a shimmering crown around Oliver's head. He wasn't just a guest anymore. Because he had learned to stay so still, he was the star stage. Milo and the other mice performed daring tumbles across Oliver's broad, soft back. Oliver moved with such steady grace that not a single feather ruffled. It was the most magical show the forest had ever seen, and everyone was safe. All the forest animals clapped their paws and cheered. Jory did one final, giant leap into the air. Oliver realized that by being patient and working with his new friends, he had turned a big problem into the best night ever.